Saying no does not mean you're selfish. It means respecting your own needs, protecting yourself and your energy from people sucking it away from you and draining you. Setting boundaries is a powerful act of self-love. It's a way that you can give a more full, undivided, genuine attention to the things that matter to you most. And man, there's a lot of things that'll suck your attention and your energy away. Protecting your energy, what you're giving out, what you're doing is one of the most important things that we need to work on these days, because everybody wants your energy. Whether it's social media, family, friends, work, advertisements, politics, you name it, everything wants your energy. In order to do that, here's some guides or guided ways to help you. First thing is identify your needs. Reflect on the situation that leaves you feeling exhausted and or frustrated. These are often where your boundaries are lacking the most. This could be a relationship. This could be work. This could be yourself. Setting strong boundaries within yourself and what your goals are. Example, going to the gym. Ask yourself, what do I need to feel supported and respected in these areas? What do you need? What supports do you need, and how do you need to be respected to move forward? Next thing is communicate clearly in a easy to understand language. I'm unable to take on this project this week because I'm focused on the current tasks at hand. Practice of assertive. I can't say that. Assertive. Wow. Practice being assertive. But also practice using a calm, confident tone in your voice. Start small. Small ones. Limiting social media usage. That'd be a small one. Generate boundaries that are easy for you to get satisfaction from in all areas of your life. Stay consistent. It's no different than training anything else. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Enforce your boundaries. Follow through. Don't make any exceptions to your boundaries, because people will take advantage of you. Lightly remind them about your limits when necessary. Handle pushback gracefully. Not everyone will respect your boundaries immediately. Stay firm, insistent, and then assist what your needs are without over explaining. You don't need to know everything. Your boundaries. And the people that have reactions, it's about them, not you. You can only control you. If they're having reactions, meh, that's their problem. Something's going on with them. Don't worry about it. Boundaries. We all need them. We all need to place them. We all need to hold them. Hope this helps. Take care. We'll talk to you later.